Want to know how to use Google Teams for beginners just by using Microsoft 365? So Microsoft 365 helps you access all of these applications like Word, Excel and much more. So on the top left side you should be seeing this navigation. You can just simply select that, you can just expand it, and here you should be seeing various options that you can choose from. So some of them are right here. And now since we are using Teams, you can just simply select Teams right here. It should open up, and now you can just simply sign in to Teams if you haven't through your Microsoft account. So as you can see right here, Microsoft Teams just has loaded. So you can just simply use it by chatting. You can just simply add a chat, create a chat, or invite someone to Teams by selecting right here. You can just simply invite through your link, or you can also create a new chat by adding anyone and you can message it. Next, we can also meet or create a meeting by selecting meet on the left side right here. You can just simply select that. You can just simply create a meeting link. You can schedule a meeting and join with a meeting ID, anything. You can also check out communities, the people you're with, and activities just like this right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. This is how you use Google Meet in this is how you use Teams in Microsoft. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.